Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming essentials: battery above 20%, Bluetooth active, and the watch unlocked. Once done, press and hold the current watch face or swipe to settings to open the face menu. You want direct access now. Make sure the paired phone is nearby in case the companion app is required. If your watch shows a list of faces, tap Edit or Manage. This first action lets you view active and stored wallpapers so you can remove the unwanted one. You now locate the specific wallpaper in the face list and tap it to open options. If you see remove or a trash icon, tap it to delete the wallpaper. Confirm when prompted. If the watch only shows disable, tap that, then check the companion app on your phone, open the Faces or Watch Faces section, find the same face, and use Delete there. Once you remove it, make sure a different default face is active so the watch doesn't revert to the deleted wallpaper. To finish, restart your watch so the system applies the change cleanly. You should no longer see the deleted wallpaper. If the face reappears, open the companion app and ensure it isn't synced back from cloud or backups. Disable automatic face sync or delete from the app. If the watch won't let you delete, unpair and repair it, which clears stubborn cache. As a last resort only, factory reset the watch, but backup settings first to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.